Hello everyone, welcome to CyberWise. In this video we're going to learn how to hack a website and gain access to the server. Remember, this is only for educational purposes. Do not try to hack anyone or harm anyone without permission. What we need: Kali operating system. A website, I have mine ready, so let's get started. As you can see, the website says, "Welcome to the Secure Upload Lab." Now we're going to log in. I'm a user, so I'm going to put username, user, password, user pass. Alright, I'm logged in. It says logged in as a user. That's it. I don't see anything else. I'm going to log out and go back to the home page. Alright, so I don't know what hidden files are hiding in this website, so let's find out. Open terminal and type :ls/usr/share/wordlist/dirbuster. You'll see the directory list in there. We're going to use directory list 2.3 medium.txt. The tool we'll use is Gobuster. Gobuster helps us find hidden files the website has. Now type this command: Gobuster dir URL, your website link. Word list usr share word list dirbuster directory list 2.3 medium.txt xphp html text. We're looking for PHP, HTML, and TXT files. Those are likely hidden in the website. Now hit enter. Oops. It says we have to exclude length 175. So, at the end of the command, add a period. Exclude length 175. Now hit enter. Alright, it's going to start finding hidden files for me. As you can see, we found login.php, upload.php, logout.php. Let's try upload.php. Go to the website and type upload.php, then hit enter. It says access denied. Only admin or developer can upload. Now as you can see it telling us that admin and developer can do, but I don't see any admin link here. So I go back to the home page. I remove index.php and type admin.php, then hit enter. It shows login.php again. I'm gonna try username, user, password, user pass, still logged in as a user again. I'm gonna log out. Now I have other options. I'm thinking, can I try SQL injection? The tools I can use: Burp Suite and SQLMap. Let's open Burp Suite first. Alright, go to proxy and turn intercept on. Now go to Firefox, go to settings, network settings, and choose manual proxy configuration. Set HTTP proxy 127.00.1, port 8080. Now go to the website and refresh the page. In Burp Suite, you'll see the request. Now I'm going to save this request as test.txt. You can save the file name as whatever you want to, but you have to save the file if you want to use SQLMap. We don't need Burp Suite anymore. Go back to Firefox, settings, network settings, and set it back to use system proxy. Now we have test.txt. We'll use SQLMap. What is SQLMap? It's like a robot hacker that tests if a website's database can be tricked using special SQL commands. And if it can, it'll dig out all the data for you. Your command should look like this: SQLMap r test txt batch level equals 5, risk equals 3, temper equals space 2 comment. Let me tell you what all the command do. Batch does make SQLMap run automatically. Level 5 does increases scan depth. Risk 3 does uses more aggressive payloads. And temper space 2 comment does helps bypass firewalls by hiding SQL code in comments. It says, test shows that the cookie parameter might not be injectable. I don't think we can use SQL here. Since we can't use SQL here, we can go with other options, but before that, let's try to manually test it. So follow me here. I am putting SQL here to see we can gain access or not. Still not working. It is invalid. Now we're going to use cracking password with Hydra. Now we have another option. We can crack the password using a tool called Hydra. In terminal, go to USR share word lists. We'll use rockyou.txt. It has millions of leaked passwords. You can follow me or type this command. Hydra L admin. You can put username here. I am guessing the username is admin. rockyou.txt. You have to put here your password file text. Target IP 10.0.0.220. HTTP post form server running on HTTP. Login PHP. Type Devin username, user and password. Pass invalid credentials. Let me explain why we're using this command. Login.php is the login page. Type equals dev and username equals caret, user caret, and password equals caret. Pass caret is where Hydra puts the username and password, and invalid credentials tells Hydra when the login has failed. So Hydra will keep trying different usernames and passwords from our list until it finds the correct one. When it doesn't see that invalid credentials message anymore, it means the login worked. Alright, now that we understand the command, let's run it and see if we can crack the password. After running it, success. We cracked the password. Admin123. Alright, in this case we knew the username, but what if you don't know the username? Then remove -L and use capital L with a list of possible usernames like, let me show you how. So I am going to remove L and put capital L, and I already made a user list, so I am going to put user.txt. It'll take longer, but it'll try all usernames from the list, but really it is going to take so long, so we're not doing that now, so let's move on. Let's log in as admin123. We're now logged in as admin, and at the bottom we can see the upload page. Let's go there. Here is going to be so fun part, so don't miss it. So are you guys ready to hack? Alright, we're going to upload a payload to gain access to the server. I already have my payload ready, but if you need one, I will help you, don't worry. The reverse shell code is publicly available. I already saved mine. Alright, you just have to go to Firefox and search https www.reverseshell.com. Here, choose your Kali IP. Listening port, I'm using 9001. The shell I'm using is PHP reverse shell, PentestMonkey. You can also find a bunch of different types of reverse shells and payloads. You can just copy the code. You can also modify the shell or encode it, but I'll stay with the default one. Go to the terminal and run ifconfig to confirm your IP. Then type sudo nano payload.php. I save the code as a payload.php. Just look at this part right here. The IP is set to 10.0.0.15 and the port is 9001. Make sure this IP matches your own Kali IP. Just to confirm it's correct, type this command, sudo nc-lvmp 9001. Go to the website and upload payload.php. Alright guys, be ready. You'll see the uploaded link, click it. Now check your terminal. We successfully gained access to the server. Now I am gonna type Huami and it said root. Type ls. We can see all files, index.php, login.php, logout.php, upload.php, uploaded file. On a website, I'm just going to go back to home page. On home page, we can see index.php file, right? So we have to do one thing, we have to delete that file. So open that terminal and remove that file type, rm-rfindex.php. Yes, there's no more index.php. Now go to the website and refresh the page. It says not found. So now what I'm going to do is upload my own file named index.php. I already created one using HTML and PHP. You can see the file here and all the codes. And it said you have been hacked. You have been hacked by CyberWise. Alright, for this demo, I am not gonna upload any picture. Alright, just gonna copy the code here. On that terminal, type vimindex.php. Don't use Nano here, it might not work. Paste the code here, save and exit. Type ls. You'll see your new index.php. Go back to the website and refresh the page. Boom. As you can see, you have been hacked by CyberWise. We just hacked the website. I didn't upload any pic, that's why it just says hacked image. Now let me try to open a website on my Mac too. Same thing. Said you have been hacked, my guy. As I said, I didn't upload any pictures, that is why it is empty here. If you want payloads, go to revshells.com. You'll find a bunch of reverse shells there. If you want to crack passwords, use Hydra, Hashcat, John the Ripper. To find hidden files, use Gobuster, other directory fuzzers. Remember, this is only for education purpose. That's it for today. Before you go, if you like this video, hit the like button. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button for more videos like this. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay safe. Peace out.